Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Power BI service. Sign in and open the exact workspace holding the dataset. Once you see the datasets list, click the dataset name to expose its options or open settings directly. You want to stop on the dataset page, not a report that points to it, because the dataset page contains the identifier in the browser URL and the settings view. Make sure you have at least contributor access, so the dataset entry and settings link appear for you. Once the dataset settings page is open, look up to the browser address bar. You'll see a path segment like /datasets/GUID/settings. The GUID after /dataset/ is the dataset ID you need. Click the URL, highlight only that GUID portion, typically 32 hex characters with dashes, and copy it. You do this because external tools, REST calls, and connectors require the exact dataset identifier rather than the display name, which can be duplicated across workspaces. Now paste the copied GUID into your target tool, connection, or REST request field labeled Dataset ID. Test immediately by refreshing a connection or issuing a simple Get Dataset call. Successful access confirms the ID is correct. If you get errors, double-check the GUID format and that you copied only the ID text. If the dataset ID doesn't appear or you lack access, make sure you have sufficient workspace permissions or use the Power BI REST API.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.